Hindi lang local, we can also go international. Same with Kamaya. We started with a beach resort, then we put up a commercial space, and then we build our golf courses. Ngayon, meron na kaming mga slides, no? So makikita ninyo dito sa labas itong Figaro. Nandito yung ating aquafan. Practice lang namin yan for one of our projects, no? And would you believe, meron na rin kaming tinatawag na Kamaya Stove, which is on the way. So that's a property in Japan. So not only here, kaya nasabi ko sa inyo, for your family. Hindi lang local, we can also go international. No, that's why we are building our own runway para kung sakaling gusto niyo pumunta sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa, pwede na kayo dito, no? Meron tayong gateway dito, meron tayong sariling runway. Sabi nila pag panaginip na ngayong sariling jet plane, no? Dito na, pwede na kayong magland ng jet plane ninyo dito. So, napakaganda ng Kamaya. Pero huwag po kayong matakot, no? Because Kamaya is not a very, very expensive property, no? Kasi baka yung iba, natatakot silang magtanong or mag-inquire about Kamaya Coast. No.